Good morning, everyone. We're starting here at week 7. The newest information school will not be going back this year. I think I said it last week, but just a reminder, we will be continuing our virtual learning for the remainder of the school year. Last week we had looked at asexual reproduction, which happens with a lot of simple organisms, not so much complex organisms, but simple organisms like paramecium or sea stars regeneration of their of one of their appendages, or amoebas splitting, then that splitting being binary fission, or hydra, which we actually saw in a microscope, the little budding, where there was like a little hydra attached to a larger hydra, so like that large one and then the little one was attached, that was budding. Now that's all asexual reproduction, which means that there's only one parent. It means that it is identical DNA. It means that there is no variations. Everything looks exactly the same. It is an exact copy. It happens more quickly than sexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction is similar of what we're going to talk about this week. And this week we're going to talk about a process called mitosis. And you might have heard of it before, but it is when your cells, human cells, mammal cells, any type of cells, reptile cells, reproduce to make identical cells. So for example, let me just give you one. Your stomach cells reproduce to make more stomach cells. Your skin cells reproduce to make more skin cells. So if you get like a wound, your body would begin the process of mitosis, and it would begin to make more of those skin cells to heal you. That process is called mitosis. So, looking at what your assignments are for this week. Whoops, I'm on haiku. I would like you to start with the Amoeba Sisters. You know how much I love the Amoeba Sisters. That's an Ed puzzle. That's about a 10-minute video. Moving on, I have some notes for you, which is kind of strange. If we were in the classroom, I would be doing a pair deck. So this is going to be your remote learning, where you're going to have to take your notes right here, which are blank, and fill them in using your slides. So I would like you to send me the copy of your filled in notes. So that's your second assignment. Your third assignment is these questions 1 through 11. These go directly with your slides, so everything is interconnected here. And your final assignment for the week, your fourth assignment, is your onion cells, questions 1 through 18, identifying the stages. And you're going to give those answers on your flip grid. So you're going to say things like, number 1, the answer is metaphase. Number 2, the answer is interphase. So you'll see that you will have to put the stages, because the stages are what you're learning about in your notes. So looking quickly just through your notes, mitosis is cellular reproduction. It makes new cells identical to the parent, just like asexual. Next week, we will be talking about sexual reproduction. But this week is asexual reproduction. These are all of your body chromosomes. Looking at the fact that this is happening at the gene level, at the genetic level, which is happening inside of your nucleus of your cell. And looking forward at these different stages, there'll be some diagrams on your worksheet as well as your notes. And then these stages are what I expect you to write about and answer. And there's plenty of pictures. So these slides, there's a total of 38, 39, 40 slides These ones at the back are just for my information. So the total is 40 slides that you're going to be looking at for this week. And if you have any questions, please email me.